Alright, so I got my blade cut and it's all ready now to have a chamfer done on there. This has to be quite sharp and uniform, and it's also got to be at a certain angle. So basically, I don't have the right tools, and I want to show you guys that you don't need the right tools. You don't need all the tools. You can improvise and make your own to get the chamfer this way. So basically what you do now is I've screwed this down and it's not going to go anywhere, and on the back side I put this copper piece here. Well, that's going to be my rest for my sandpaper, which I just taped onto a piece of wood, and it's good to go. It's, you know, nothing complicated. It's quite simple to do and anybody can do this. So guys, look, you know, don't get to think all the time that you need precise, expensive tools to do things like this, because you don't really need to. You can improvise. So yeah, that's going to be the rest. So I'm just going to plonk it on there. So that's about a minute or so of sanding, and you can see it's already starting to create a nice edge on there, nice straight flat edge. And when I sand the top surface, that one there, it's just going to finish it off nicely. So that's how you do it without having all the tools available to do these things. So there you go. Yeah.